As mentioned a little earlier, we're back with Richard Sklar to discuss the importance of home design. Hi, Richard, how are you?
Pleased to meet you.
Yeah, you too. Look, now tell us a little bit about Richard Sklar Architects.
Well, we started practice in 1980, and during that time we've undergone a varied amount of commissions of work. However, we seem to specialise in medium density to single residential housing.
Well, this lovely home is on a very small block. Tell us about the challenges of that.
Really, on a small block, what we're trying to do is to manipulate the use of light and space and introduce into that some northern passive sun, morning light into the bathrooms and the kitchen areas, and preclude the western sun, and create an illusion of space, which is critical for this type of block. And we believe that it's not so much the amount of money that's spent, but the amount of time that's spent that delivers the results.
For further information, visit Richard Sklar Architects website at rsarchitects.com.au or contact an HIA member.